GIF BSI 8 BAP, ibig sabihin po ng 8 BAP, Hook Brigade Alliance Pillar from Pagbilao Branch, effective September 1, 2024. You are hereby advised to secure from the National Office the record and material that you will require in your position. The National Office is ready to sit down with you for any briefing that you feel you might need to make effective in the discharge of your function. You are also authorized to conduct lecture, seminar, symposia, organization, mobilization, civic action, and conduct marking for candidate members who are due for full membership of the Guardian. Congratulations. We trust that you will give justice to this trust and confidence to widest dissemination and guidance. Signed by Chairman of GUC, GCDII, PCGS, CNC Larry, Lars Salcedo, and also signed by PCGS, JGMF Joseph Thompson Principe, GUC, GGC Chairman. May we call on NCF Johan. Mula po sa Hook Brigade Alliance Pillar.
Three, two, one, tingin dito. 3, 2, 1, shot. Para maya natin ang